Up tonight, we're doing our break number 3 of Series 7 Big Box from Hit Parade. So we're doing 3 and 4, our last 2 boxes of this series tonight. So looking for that LeBron warm-up jersey auto and some other big names in there too. Lamar Jackson has got some stuff, Peyton Manning, Joe Burrow, Tua. So let's see what we can find. So this is a random last name letter break. So every spot gives you 2 random last name letters. So we're using 20 letters in the break. And so 10 total spots. So Jeremy P's got 1 in this. Donnie's got 1. Dan C with 1. Greg W with 1. Rick's got 3. Todd M with 1. Doug has got 3. And then Ricky, you've got 1 as well. And actually, I'm sorry, for this series we're using 12 spots, 24 letters. So there are 12 total spots in this, so my bad. So let's go ahead and randomize the letters first. So the only 2 letters we're not using are Q and X. So you won't, at least won't have to worry about getting one of those. All right, so we'll randomize this 5 times. Man, we're getting a little Rick Astley to set the mood for the break room. It's probably the first time we've had Rick Astley playing in the break room. All right, let's randomize this 5 times now. All right, here we go. So Dan, you've got A and J. There you go, Dan. So you've got the LeBron if we can pull it out of this box. Donnie's got T and B. Doug, you've got L, W, N, S, K, and C. Greg, you've got Y and R. Jeremy with E and Z. Rick, you've got G, I, F, M, U, and V. Ricky's got H and P. And then Todd, you've got D and O. All right, so there are your rundown of your letters. And there's the box. All right, guys, so this is going to be box number 27 out of 50 in this series. So it is all sealed up, top and bottom. That's sealed up. It's coming undone a little bit. Box is in pretty good shape. All right, good luck. Here we go. All right, autograph basketball up first. All right, any guesses on that? I have no idea. It is PSA DNA certified. Oh, nice. Nice. How about the glove? I got no problem with the glove. I got no problem with the glove. Ricky, that's you, man. Nice hit there. Caleb nailed it. All right, good start. Oh, dude, how about a Greek freak? Come on, man. That is going to be last name A. Dan. Come on, man. Dude, that is awesome. I can't pronounce his last name, but I know it starts with an A. It's like a custom jersey. Dude, that's awesome. Really cool hit. There is the auto right there. Man. Basketball started strong tonight. All right, next up. Dang, man. Thought they got a hot box or something. Thought that was going to be a Tua. Looks kind of like Devontae Parker, or at least the initials. And that is who it is. So another P. Ricky, there you go again, man. JSA certified. Aren't you a Miami guy too? All right, we got some pinstripe. All right, we got a Harold Baines. That's going to be Donnie. There you go, Donnie, White Sox fan, getting a White Sox jersey. Can't tell if that is custom or not. It looks cool. Oh, Patriots. All right. That's awesome. So Donnie's on the board. All right, looks like we got a couple of posters to close this out. Let's see what we can get. Is that it? It's going to be an 8x10. Fanatics authenticated. Any racing fans know who that is? Aspen Dental. Make sure that's the only one down there. That's the only thing. All right. Another P. The trifecta. Ricky getting 3 hits with letter P in this box. All right, last one. It's like a football. How about a Derrick Henry autographed 16x20? So H on that one is going to be Ricky. Crazy, man. You had H and P and got 4 of the, how many did we have? 7 hits? That is PSA DNA certified. Nice hit. All right, so nice box there, man. Anytime pulling a Giannis jersey. So that'll do it for Big Box. We'll get those items in the mail to you guys tomorrow. And we got break number 4 coming up next. Is that DeMarco Murray? You might be right, man. Dude, Zach just saved me, man. So Rick, that's actually coming to you. Nice call there. Henry's 22, man. We've pulled so much Derrick Henry stuff, I just assumed. So thank you guys for catching that. So actually, Ricky, that's not you. That's going to be Rick with the DeMarco Murray PSA DNA certified. So appreciate you guys catching that. Get those items in the mail tomorrow. Break number 4 coming up now.